Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how you can pick the best YouTube thumbnail to get the most views for your video. If you're a YouTuber, you might understand how important it is to pick the best YouTube thumbnail. So what I will show you today is a game which is called Thumbnail Game, using which you can practice and identify which is the best YouTube thumbnail from existing videos. So this will allow you to understand what works better. So as you play through this game, you will understand how you should craft your thumbnail so that you also get a lot of views for your videos. So you can come to this website, click on play. There is time mode, casual mode. So I'm just saying time mode. Now it will show you two videos side by side. I need to predict which video thumbnail got the maximum number of views. I'm going to say this one. Yes, that's correct. So now I'm going to say next. It's going to tell me this video or this video. I'm going to say this. So yes, so this is how it is. Now, which video has more views, this one or this one? I'm going to say this. Yeah. So open door 80, this one. Which has the higher views? I'm going to say this. Now, this one or this one? Which has the higher views? I'm going to say this. Yeah, that's correct. So this one and this one. Which one has higher views? I'm going to say this. Yes. So now if you notice it, I have actually got a hang of which video has better views based on thumbnails. Now I lost it. So in this way you can identify what all things works in a YouTube thumbnail, and you can adopt that and craft in your video. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.